Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Dashendra Rahandale. I belongs to Gondia from Maharashtra. I did my graduation in BTech in Biotechnology from Priyadarshini College of Engineering from Nagpur University in the year 2023. Today I am here to share my exceptional experience in the eVision Technoserve, which is an IT consulting and the recruitment company. Here I got the real-time work exposure and the experience to learn the good technologies, and here I have learned the basic networking, different types of network, then OSI model and the network devices. Then I have also learned the Windows administration. In that I have learned how to install the administration account, then how to activate the administration account, then the Virgo, then how to join the domain, how to configure domain. Then I have also learned the Windows troubleshooting problems like the BSOD problems. Then I have to come to know about the ITIL, WDS. So all these things I have learned here in the eVision, and today I am so happy to share with you all that I have got placed in the VDA Info Solution Private Limited with the 3 LP of salary package. I'm so thankful to all the instructor in the eVision who played a vital role in making this journey unforgettable. And I'm so thankful to all the teams. And I would like to suggest who wants to join the eVision, who are facing the problems to get the place in the IT companies. So this will be very helpful to learn here, and to get placed in the well-reputed IT companies. So again, I'm thankful to all the teams for their support. So thank you so much.